Over time, concrete floors take a beating. Cracks, stains, and wear can make a surface look tired and unsafe. That's where concrete resurfacing comes in. At High Performance Systems, we restore old floors by replacing, leveling, and applying a new protective surface that's built to last. Our team uses high-performance materials designed for durability, safety, and a clean, professional finish. Concrete resurfacing is a cost-effective way to upgrade floors without the expense of a full replacement. Bring your concrete back to life. Contact High Performance Systems today and let us resurface your floors into something safer, stronger, and better than new. For more information, call us at 800-928-7220 or visit our website at highperformancesystems.com.